Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, welcome back. Today we will start lesson 4 of grade 10. الدرس الرابع, that is fourth lesson. عصفور الجنة. عصفور, the bird. الجنة, paradise. The bird of paradise. Bird of paradise. So let's get started. ألا يا طائر الفردوس قلبي لك بستان. ألا يا طائر الفردوس قلبي لك بستان. O you, the bird of paradise. O you, Allah, O, Ya, O, Ta'ir, that is bird, Al-Firdaus, paradise. Qalbi, my heart, Laka, for you, Bustan is a garden. Allah, Ya Firdaus, Qalbi, Laka, Bustan. O you, the bird of paradise, my heart is a garden for you. ففيه الزهر والماء وفيه الغصن فينان. ففيه الزهر والماء. So there are flowers and water. ففيه, there are الزهر, flowers, والماء, and water. وفيه الغصن فينان. And there are long and beautiful branches of luxurious trees. وفيه الغصن, and there are long and beautiful branches, الغصن, branches of فينان, luxurious trees, luxurious trees. فغرد فيه ما شئت فإن الحب مرنان. فغرد فيه ما شئت فإن الحب مرنان. So you sing, فغرد, so you sing, however long you intend to sing. ففيه ما شئت, so you can sing up to you intend to sing. So you sing however long you intend to sing. فإن الحب مرنان, for real love is echoing and deep. فإن, so indeed the real love is echoing and deep. وفيه منك أنغام وفيه منك ألحان. وفيه منك أنغام وفيه منك ألحان. So there are your characters. ففيه منك, and there are your characters and musical notes and musical notes. وفيه منك ألحان, and there are your tunes, and there are your tunes. وللأشجان أوتار ونايات وعيدان. وللأشجان أوتار ونايات وعيدان. The trees have strings. The trees have strings, flutes and lutes. ونايات وعيدان, and flutes and lutes. ألا يا طائر الفردوس إن الشعر وجدان. O you, the bird of paradise. O you, the bird of paradise. The poetry is passion and high and sort of sentiment. O you, the bird of paradise. Indeed, the poetry is passion, wujdan, and high sort of sentiments. وفي شذوك شعر نفسلا. وفي شذوك شعر نفسلا زور وبهتان. Your singing is such poetry that fills the mind. وفي شذوك شعر نفسلا, that means your singing is such poetry that fills the mind and soul with truth, with truth, not falsehood or slander. Zurun, zurun, falsehood, wabuhtan, or not slander. Your singing is such a poetry that fills the mind. Nafsila, that means that fills the mind and soul. Nafs means soul. Zurun, wabuhtan, that is with the truth, not falsehood or slander. فلا تعتد بالناس فما في الخلق إنسان. So you don't rely upon the people. So you don't rely upon the people. So you don't rely upon the people. فما في الخلق إنسان. وما في الخلق إنسان, because there are no human beings among the creatures. There are no human beings among the creatures. وجد لي منك بالشعر فإن فيه إخوان. Give me inefficiently from your poetry. وجد لي منك بالشعر. Give me inefficiently from your poetry. فإن فيه إخوان. For we are friends. Indeed, we are friends or brothers. ألا يا طائر الفردوس قلبي منك والهان. O you, the bird of paradise. O you, the bird of paradise, my heart is braver, so I'm passionately in love with you. ألا يا طائر الفردوس. O you, the bird of paradise, قلبي منك والهان. My heart is braver, so I am passionately in love with you. So this poetry is sung by Abdul Rahman Shakri from Min Diwanihi, from his Diwan or Madness, we can say that. Abdul Rahman Shakri has written this poetry. So now the explanation about this poetry is: the poet expresses his sorrow and pain caused by the separation from loved ones and the betrayal of those close to him. He seeks solace in nature, symbolized by the bird of paradise residing in his heart. Amidst in a garden filled with flowers, brooks, and beautiful trees, the poet finds inspiration in the bird's song, believing it to convey truth and genuine emotion. Unlike the deceit of some people, he urges the bird not to be influenced by human whims, recognizing that not all deserves to be called human. Through their mutual singing, the poet and the bird find comfort and inspire home despite of the grief and loss experienced. So this was the explanation about this poem. I will post in the description about this explanation. So inshallah, in the next video, we'll have a new lesson that will be في قاعة الامتحان, in the exam hall. So till then, إلى اللقاء, مع السلامة.